Welcome to our first section and first lecture. Before getting into our main topic, that is communication skills for any technical consultant who is primarily into business consulting, we must understand what are all the elements of responsibility an active consultant has. Let us view those responsibilities at an aerial level. Let us explain this with reference to SAP consultants in general. SAP consultants are people who have understanding of the business and SAP ERP software or both. ERP is enterprise resource planning and SAP is a software maker. They help business in configuration of ERP software package as per business requirements. Key role of a consultant is to understand the business requirements and trying to connect them to the standard ERP software features and capabilities to customize, configure to the business requirements. In doing so, two categories of consultants emerge based on the expertise and the nature of work they are doing. Functional consultants and technical consultants. Functional consultants are responsible for driving business meetings, preparing business case documents, finalizing client requirements, and communicating client requirements to the technical consultants to develop offline. They also configure the SAP system to run as per the client's requirement. The technical consultants are the one that translate those documents into technical documents and write code to implement business needs. In doing so, every SAP consultant broadly end up doing activities as I explain now. 1. Understanding the business and business flows. Understanding the requirement from the business. Activity 2. Figuring out the capability of standard SAP package to take care of business requirement and processes. Activity 3. Connecting each business process to the standard ERP software features. Activity 4. Drafting detailed list of gaps and bridging those gaps with proposal for a solution. Activity 5. Designing standard blueprint of the approach. Activity 6. Continuous discussion with business stakeholders to keep all on same page. Activity 7. Designing the solution. Activity 8. Internal testing of the solution. Activity 9. External testing of solution with business users till business acceptance. Activity 10. Deployment of solution in the production. Activity 11. Training the business user. Activity 12. Ensuring business continuity and support. Activity 13. Discussions during entire life cycle with internal and external stakeholders. These are the standard activity for any IT, SAP or technical consultant basically involved with. We will talk about each one of these and try to figure out what are the basic capabilities in terms of specific skills any consultant should have. It could be hard skill or soft skills. Let us see why these different skills that make him or her complete in dealing with above listed activities and which particular skill tops the list to focus.